The Sealey AK716 12-piece blind bearing puller set. The AK716 is truly comprehensive, as it includes two types of extractor. A powerful medium stroke 1.5 kg slide hammer with a 395mm shaft to make light work of pulling the tightest of bearings. And a screw type bridge extractor to gently remove blind bearings where the use of a slide hammer may damage the surrounding material. The kit includes bearing extractor collets to cater for bearings with internal capacities ranging from 9 to 34mm. All of this is supplied in a tough carry case. The Sealey AK716 12-piece blind bearing puller set. Another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range.